Hey guys, so we're out today just doing some relaxing flying with my Parkzone T28. Haven't flown this plane for a while, so I thought I would just break it out and fly it.
If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video.
I'm flying the plane in safe, just to fly it around. First flight of the day, don't do anything crazy, just fly it around then. And then usually what I do is about 2 minutes into the flight, I flip it out of safe and do some aerobatics. Do a flyby here real close. Okay, I'm gonna flip it out of safe here. Do a roll. This plane flies inverted amazingly. Do an inverted pass here. What I like about this plane is it flies very, very still. There's nothing it won't really do, so another low flyby here. Not that low, but low. Low and slow right at the camera here. Do another low pass here for the camera. Into the wind. Here we go. Little victory roll out there. This is still probably, as I said before, my favorite plane just for flying around and cruising around. It looks so pretty in the sky and it flies so precise. My timer's about to go off, so I'll fly around a couple more laps here and then I'll do a landing for you here into the wind. You heard my timer go off here, so what we'll do is we'll just cruise around one more lap and we'll bring it in for a landing for the camera. Go around one more time. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna go around again. That was ugly.